Hey guys, what's up? This is Yash and welcome to a brand new video on the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you 5 smartphone gadgets that are available on Amazon for under 100 rupees. So let's get started. So the number one tech is this wall charger, and it costs only 99 rupees. So this wall charger has plastic build quality which is not that great, but its speciality is 3 USB outputs. The max power it can throw is 3.1 ampere, again 5 volts 1 ampere for each port, and from here you can plug it in the socket, and it has the regular European pins, and when you plug it in it shows up a blue LED which tells it is on, and now you can charge your 3 devices at the same time. Again guys, if your phone supports fast charging, it will not charge as fast with their default charger, but if you're traveling and you're getting only one socket in your hotel, you can keep your devices for charging overnight and they will charge fully. So overall I would say for only 99 rupees, it's an amazing deal. Next up, the tech number 2 is this USB keychain cable, and it costs only 99 rupees. So this USB cable is about 23 centimeters long, and its speciality is its keychain functionality. You can carry it with your keychain or you can use it as a keychain. Here it has a lock which holds it pretty well, but again much force can open it. And if your phone supports fast charging, this cable also supports fast charging. You can charge your phone quickly. Also, the amazing thing is it also supports data transfer that you do from PC to your phone. Overall, I would say at emergency times, if you want to charge your phone or if you want to transfer data and you don't have a USB cable nearby you, you can just use your keychain to do that. So moving to the next one, the tech number 3 is this mobile camera lenses, and it costs 105 rupees. So it comes with 3 different lenses: fisheye lens, wide angle lens and the macro lens. So first let's start with the fisheye lens. Again, first you have to screw these lenses with the given attachment, then clip it in on camera of your mobile phone. So this is how it looks with the fisheye lens, and it's very wide. It covers 180-degree wide area, and when I remove it, as you see, it's a huge difference. Now let's test the wide angle lens. So this is how it looks with the wide angle lens, and it's not that much wide compared to the fisheye lens, but it does not have any big black borders like the fisheye. Again, there are a little bit black borders at the corners if you notice, but I would say they're almost invisible. Also, it gives a GoPro kind of look, which action cameras have wide angle. And now let's check out the macro lens. So with this lens you can't see the far objects, but you can see very close objects very clearly. As you see, it also shows my fingerprints. For example, this is how your phone can capture this near objects. It's very blurry, but with this lens it gets very clear, as you can see. Next up, the tech number 4 is this Linkus high memory NFC tag stickers, and it costs only 75 rupees. So before I have shown you many NFC stuff, but today here I have the very special one. This NFC tag has the memory of 888 bytes. I know some of you like only 888 bytes, but guys, in NFC it's a huge amount of storage. And to use this tag, first you need to have the NFC functionality on your phone. Then you have to download this app called NFC Tools on your phone. With this app you can set the commands for this NFC tag. Like you can set the command for your phone number, address, or you can open any application. You can do these things by just tapping your phone once on this tag. And its speciality is it's a sticker, so you can make anything NFC, like your keychain, wallet, or you can just stick it on your mobile phone or its cover. Again, make sure you are sticking it to the left bottom of your phone, because at this side it has the NFC sensor. And now if someone asks you about your address or phone number, just give them with just one tap. And also it is available in pack of 6, and it will cost you 350 rupees. Again, it will save you 100 rupees, but again you can purchase only one unit and it will cost you only 75 rupees. And the tech number 5 is this portable mobile phone tripod, and it costs 99 rupees. So the build quality of this tripod is fairly good for the given price, and also it's very portable. You can carry it inside your pocket, and its height is around 14 centimeters. And if you extend its legs to the max, it reaches about 20 centimeters, which I would say is good for the portable tripod. And also its head is movable. It has the ball head. Just loose the screw, and now you can adjust the head at whatever direction or angle you want. Then tight the screw again to adjust the angle and direction. Again, it can go up to 180 degree for portrait, and don't worry, it will not fall because it has a leg here for support. And from here you can mount your mobile phone with this mobile phone camera mount, which is a extra tech, and it costs 99 rupees. So with this you can mount your mobile phone on this tripod, but not only this tripod but with every tripods which can support a normal DSLR, and this mount holds your phone pretty snug, it's very tight. Overall, I would say when you're traveling and if you want to take photos or videos, these two are really great things for the given price. And also guys, if you're new here and you're watching my videos for the first time, make sure you subscribe now to watch more cool videos like this. Okay, so this is it guys. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and all the product links will be in the description, you can check that out. And also guys, post your thoughts in comment section and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and press that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And thanks to watching Unbox Extinction, and I will see you guys in my next video.